Run under the theme Absolute Siam DNA, the new Siam Center is being filled with stores where brand owners and retailers have joined forces to give the entire venue a consistent visual identity, including those of the most famous international and local fashion, food, and beverage brands.
For the new Siam Center, we can call the ideal police or the legend reborn, which means we have plenty of things new. The first one is the mix-up between the current tenant, 60%, and the new tenant around 40%. New tenant means some are flagship store or only launched first time in Thailand, or probably the biggest size in Thailand like Forever 21. Second, we can call the new era of marketing like digital marketing. You won't see any paper or any leaflet at all. When we would like to communicate to customer, we would like to communicate via digital marketing. That's all.
Siam Center has set aside the areas in the hall on the first floor and other major sections to be an idea avenue for leading a new generation local and international artists to exhibit their art pieces that communicate ideas, imagination, and skill without limits.
The dress, the stock that we put into the shop would be a lot more colorful, a lot more chic and young. So we love the contrast between old and young, new,
and
traditional
contemporary.
and contemporary. That is the whole idea of the shop.
While the first floor includes flagship stores of globally famous brands, the second floor houses international brands for clothing, accessories, and cosmetics. All stores are decorated in ultra-modern style with a black and white tone. The third floor has the most comprehensive range of Thai designer brands in the country. And on the fourth floor, visitors will find a new trendy hangout space complete with international restaurants and food shops, offering a wide range of delicious dishes in an original industrial-style environment.